finish this paragraph. Just... Come on, brain, work! Why can't I think?
Leo, you are still here? You look like a zombie. Go home. I can't, Mia. I am trying to think, but...
My head feels...
What? Leo, you are overworking. Your system is crashing.
I am pressing the think button, but...
That's because your brain is fried, Leo. You are overheated.
Fried. Overheated. Crashing. We treat the brain like a machine, and machines can break.
Is your brain fried? Do you need a reboot? Today, I will teach you the machine metaphors to describe how you think.
Part 1. The machine concept. My brain is fried. Hello, my thinkers. I'm Scarlett. Welcome back to Grow English Mastery. Have you ever worked so hard that you couldn't think anymore? You try to read a sentence, but it makes no sense. You feel hot. You feel slow. In English, we have a very special way to describe this. We imagine that the human brain is a machine. A machine has gears. It uses fuel. It can overheat. It can rust. And it needs to be turned off. Today, I will teach you the thinking is a machine metaphor. This will help you describe your focus, your exhaustion, and your relaxation in a very native way. We have 3 levels today. Level 1, overheating, freed, burnout. Level 2, processing, gears, turning, rusty. Level 3, shutting down, unplug, recharge. Are you ready to turn on your engines? Let's start with Level 1. Part 2, Level 1. The brain is fried. That cold open was intense. Leo was staring at the screen, but nothing was happening. When a computer works too hard, it gets hot. If it gets too hot, the circuits burn. They get fried. Phrase 1. My brain is fried. This is the most common slang for I am mentally exhausted. Don't ask me any math questions. My brain is fried. Phrase 2. Burned out. This is more serious. Burnout is when you work too hard for weeks or months and you lose all your energy. She worked 80 hours a week and eventually burned out. Phrase 3. Running on fumes. Imagine a car with no gas. The tank is empty, but the car is still moving on the last fumes, vapors of gas. This means you have no energy left, but you are forcing yourself to keep going. I haven't slept in 24 hours. I'm running on fumes. Let's watch Leo struggle at work. He is running on fumes, and he is about to crash.
Leo, the client is on the phone. They want the new strategy now.
I can't do it, Mia.
What do you mean? You are our best strategist. Just give me a quick idea.
I tried. I've been staring at this data for 6 hours. My brain is absolutely fried.
Fried? Like cooked in oil?
No, like an electronics circuit that got too hot and burned out. Nothing is working upstairs. I am completely burned out. I can't process any more information today.
I see. You have been running at 100% speed for too long. You are running on fumes.
The tank is empty. If I try to work more, I think I will crash.
Okay, stop. If a machine overheats, you turn it off.
But the client.
I will handle the client. You need to go take a walk. Cool down your engine.
You are right. I need a hard reset. Thanks, Mia.
When you are fried, stop working. You can't drive a car with no gas.
Part 3. Analysis and Level 2. The gears are turning. Did you see that? Leo needed a hard reset, just like a frozen computer. Now, Level 2. What happens when the machine is working well? Or starting up? We imagine the brain has gears, cogs, and wheels inside. Phrase 1. The gears are turning. This means someone is thinking deeply. You can almost hear the machine working. I can see the gears turning in his head. Phrase 2. Rusty. If you leave a machine in the rain, it gets rust. Orange metal. It moves slowly. If you haven't practiced a skill in a long time, you are rusty. My French is a bit rusty. Phrase 3. To crank out. To crank is to turn a machine handle fast to produce something. He cranked out 3 reports in 1 hour. He produced them fast. Let's watch Leo try to solve a math problem. He is rusty at first, but then he starts cranking out ideas.
Okay, Leo. We need to solve this budget problem. How do we save $5,000? Leo, are you awake? Did you hear me?
Shh. Wait. I am thinking.
I am thinking. You look like a statue.
Give me a moment.
Give me a moment. The gears are turning.
The gears? Yes. The wheels in my head. They are spinning. I can almost see the solution. But it's slow. I feel a bit rusty.
Rusty? Like old metal?
Yeah. I haven't done math in a long time. My brain needs some oil to work smoothly.
Here. This coffee is your oil. Lubricate the machine.
That helps. Okay, I feel the speed increasing. Now I am cranking out ideas. We can cut the marketing budget here and here.
Wow. Look at you go. You are a machine, Leo.
Once I get started, I am unstoppable.
Part 4. Analysis and Level 3. Switch off. Lubricate the machine with coffee. I love that image. Now, Level 3. The work is done. You need to stop. But in the modern world, stopping is hard. We feel wired. Wired means full of electrical energy. Nervous. Anxious. You can't sleep. To fix this, you need to break the connection. Phrase 1. To switch off, just like a light switch. Stop thinking about work. It's hard for me to switch off on the weekends. Phrase 2. To unplug. Pull the plug from the wall. No internet, no phone, no connection. I'm going camping to unplug from social media. Phrase 3. Recharge my batteries. We are battery operated. We need to charge. I need a vacation to recharge my batteries. Let's watch Mia help Leo disconnect from his digital life.
Leo, please sit down. You are making me nervous.
I can't. I keep checking my email. I know work is over, but my brain won't stop. I am still wired.
Wired means you have too much electricity. You need to cut the power.
I know. But how? I try to relax, but the thoughts keep spinning.
You need to switch off, just like a light switch. Click. Off.
It's hard to disconnect. I feel like I'm always online.
Go outside. Leave the phone here. You need to unplug.
Unplug? Like pulling the cord out of the wall?
Yes. Disconnect from the digital world. Go recharge your batteries in nature.
Recharge my batteries. That sounds nice. I am running low.
Even the best machines need downtime. If you don't unplug, you will never fully recharge.
Part 5. Vocabulary focus. Go outside and unplug. That is good advice for all of us. Before we practice, let's review the key machine vocabulary. Word 1. Mechanism. A system of parts working together. We need a better mechanism for solving problems. Word 2. To grind to a halt. When a machine stops slowly and loudly because it is broken. The project ground to a halt because we ran out of money. Word 3. A cog in the machine. A small, unimportant part of a large organization. I felt like just a cog in the machine at my old job. Word 4. Mental breakdown. When the machine completely fails. A serious mental health crisis. Take a break before you have a mental breakdown. Part 6. Shadowing practice. Now, let's train your mouth. We will do a shadowing practice. Use a tired voice for the first one, and an energetic voice for the last one. Phrase 1. The exhaustion. I can't think straight. My brain is fried. I can't think straight. My brain is fried. Phrase 2. The thinking process. Give me a minute. The gears are turning. Give me a minute. The gears are turning. Phrase 3. The recovery. I need to unplug and recharge my batteries. I need to unplug and recharge my batteries. Excellent. You sound natural and expressive. Part 7. Conclusion and CTA. So, let's recap. Your brain is a machine. 1. When it works too hard, it gets fried or burned out. 2. When it solves problems, the gears are turning. 3. When it needs rest, you must switch off and unplug. Metaphors like this make your English colorful. They help people feel what you are saying. Now, I have a challenge for you. How do you feel right now? Are your gears turning? Or are you running on fumes? Or maybe you are ready to recharge? Tell me your machine status in the comments below. If this video helped lubricate your English gears, please smash that like button and subscribe to grow English mastery. I'm Scarlett. Don't let your brain fry. See you next time.